Warehouse-style living is more than just a design choice. It's a lifestyle that embraces raw materials, open spaces, and a timeless sense of nostalgia. This home is a seamless blend of rustic industrial elements with carefully curated retro accents, creating an inviting atmosphere full of character. Imagine a space where exposed brick walls, weathered steel beams, and vintage furnishings come together to form a sanctuary of creativity and warmth. The heart of this home is its vast open-concept layout. High ceilings and large, grid windows flood the space with natural light, accentuating the beauty of raw materials. Reclaimed wood planks line the floors, their imperfections telling stories of the past. The absence of walls between the living, dining, and kitchen areas fosters a sense of freedom, making the home feel like a repurposed factory now filled with life and warmth. The kitchen is a masterpiece of contrasts. Stainless steel countertops gleam against rustic wooden cabinets, while a large vintage-style fridge brings a nostalgic charm. Open shelving made from repurposed iron pipes and reclaimed wood showcases an eclectic mix of antique dishes and modern essentials. Hanging Edison bulbs illuminate the space, casting a golden glow that enhances the inviting yet functional atmosphere of this industrial kitchen. Despite the industrial bones of the house, the living area radiates comfort. A tufted leather sofa sits atop a distressed Persian rug, its deep tones complementing the aged brick backdrop. A retro record player hums soft jazz, adding to the ambience. The centerpiece of the room is a custom-made coffee table crafted from an old factory cart, a subtle nod to the building's industrial past while serving as a gathering place for intimate conversations. bedroom continues the rustic industrial narrative, but with an added layer of warmth. A repurposed metal bed frame, softened by linen bedding, rests against a wall of reclaimed wood panels. Vintage signage, salvaged from an old warehouse, adds a personal touch. Soft lighting from industrial sconces creates a cozy atmosphere, proving that even in a space filled with steel and concrete, comfort and nostalgia can thrive. The bathroom is a statement of refined industrial elegance. A freestanding clawfoot tub sits beneath a blackened steel window, blending vintage charm with factory aesthetics. The vanity is an old workbench transformed into a sink console, complete with exposed copper plumbing that adds an artisanal touch. White subway tiles contrast with dark grout, reinforcing the warehouse aesthetic while maintaining a clean, timeless look. Beyond the walls of this industrial retreat lies a rustic courtyard, an extension of the home's rugged yet inviting character. A reclaimed wood pergola shelters a retro metal dining set, perfect for al fresco meals under Edison string lights. Large steel-framed doors open effortlessly to connect the indoor and outdoor spaces, allowing fresh air and golden hour light to spill into the heart of the home. This rustic industrial home proves that warehouse-style living isn't just about raw materials and factory aesthetics. It's about creating a space that feels authentic, inviting, and deeply personal. By blending industrial grit with retro elegance, this home achieves a timeless charm that resonates with those who appreciate history, craftsmanship, and a touch of nostalgia. It's not just a house. It's a story, a beautifully curated experience that bridges the past with the present.